I can't believe I've never jumped on that viral TikTok and other social media trend that uses puff pastry to make these gorgeous kind of upside down pastries. Well, I'm gonna do that today with both a sweet and a savory, but I bought Phyllo pastry instead. So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna make them with Phyllo pastry. They'll be a little bit lighter. I'm gonna do a peach version for the sweet, and I'm gonna do a mushroom rosemary goat cheese version for the savory. I think they're gonna be delicious. So check this out. I start by drizzling a little bit of honey on one side. That's going to be for my mushroom version. And then I put coconut sugar on the other side. That's going to be my peach version. And then whatever herbs you want to use or not. I'm using some thyme on the peach side and some rosemary for the mushrooms. You want to slice whatever you're using and kind of fan out what you have. You want it to be very prettily arranged because that's the side you're going to see when you flip these over. And you want it to be gorgeous. Then I start by layering a couple sheets of Phyllo pastry, followed by a drizzle of melted butter, followed by 2 more sheets of Phyllo pastry, and even more melted butter. At this point, you can bake them, and they're going to be golden, crispy, and delicious. These turned out even better than I thought they would. Let me show you this pan. Peach on one side and mushroom on the other, and they're golden, caramelized. I'm gonna just dig into the peach one first with the thyme. Oh man, and that coconut sugar. Wow, did that ever make a good crust? That's delicious. All right, now I have to try the mushroom too. Mushroom with the rosemary. I actually forgot the goat cheese. I got so excited about them. But with or without goat cheese, these are really fabulous. You can mix this up. You don't need the puff pastry. Phyllo works too.